What we have here is a couple of bags of Rudolph Foods pork rinds. And with these pork rinds, I shall be feasting. And while I'm feasting, I'm going to be singing some holiday classics that will for sure someday be put on a compilation CD and be sold to the masses, which it should be. And what have you done? Another year over, and what have you done? Take a look at this desk. Zoom in. Oh, this is a complete massacre of pork rind crumbs. Can you see that on the camera? Oh, they went everywhere. I spit them all over the place. One more. Hold on. With a friend, I live well. When the land snowy bliss. A beautiful sight. A happy night. Hold on. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. A Happy New Year. Somebody for the lovers, wherever go with you. I'll try to tell you wherever come you. Somebody for the lovers, wherever go with you. This I want, this I want, this is holiday time. In the heavens, with the spirit of Christmas. In the heavens, with the blessing, with the fire, with the birthday with the leafy black teal, the monster with the great, the heart, the empty hole, the beautiful, you got everything you know.